Dear students, welcome to NIT Polytechnic online learning platform. We bring you the most relevant content in the most attractive digital format. Myself, A.V. Giradkar, lecturer Civil Engineering Department, NIT Polytechnic Nagpur. Today we learn Unit 1, Basics of Maintenance and Repairs, and topic is 1.3 and 1.4. Learning outcomes. After completion of this video lecture, student will be able to CO, select the relevant method of maintaining different building structures. LO, know the factors what influence on maintenance of given structure with justification. And POs map are PO1, PO2, PO4, PO6 and PO7. Now 1.3 Factors influencing maintenance and repairs. Factors influencing maintenance and repairs. The factors influencing to ensure the suitability of maintenance and repair techniques along with their effectiveness are: first is the cost. First factor is the cost. The cost of maintenance comprises the direct and indirect cost. Before coming to a decision to do maintenance, indirect cost factor must also be considered along with the direct cost. The direct cost includes the material cost and operation cost, which are generally from 70A to 80A, 70A to 80A of total cost. Further, indirect cost includes restricted access, safety aspects, duration, overhead charges, etc. मीन्स कौन से फैक्टर मेंटेनेंस और रिपेयर्स के लिए इन्फ्लुएंस करते हैं? तो फर्स्ट इज द कॉस्ट, और कॉस्ट दो इसमें डिवाइड हुआ किया है. फर्स्ट इज द डायरेक्ट कॉस्ट एंड सेकंड इज द इनडायरेक्ट कॉस्ट. सेकंड फैक्टर इज द फॉल्टी वर्कमैनशिप, है ना. ओवरहेड ओवरऑल बिल्डिंग workmanship is one of the most common factors affecting the building maintenance. It is also observed that a faulty workmanship increases the problem and reduce the life of structure. Means ऐसे लोग जिनको काम करना नहीं आता, ऐसे लोगों को अगर अपन मेंटेनेंस और रिपेयर्स के लिए अगर यूज करेंगे, जो स्ट्रक्चर अच्छा है उसको भी वो बिगाड़ के रखेंगे, है ना. तो नेक्स्ट इज द एज ऑफ बिल्डिंग. एज ऑफ बिल्डिंग भी इन्फ्लुएंस होता है फैक्टर कि a structure and its element consist of materials and components that are linked together to form desired unit. The materials and components will start aging from the day used in construction. Further, over the period, construction period, and components wear out and reduces the building serviceability, which will affect on its remaining useful tones. Hence, on to obtain the maximum life of structure, maintenance schedule should be planned immediately after construction of the building. मीन्स जैसे बिल्डिंग कंस्ट्रक्ट होती है तो उसका कंस्ट्रक्शन शेड्यूल बनाना चाहिए, और उसका हर मेंबर का जो लाइफ होता है उसको कंटिन्यू ऑब्जर्वेशन करते रहना चाहिए, है ना. जैसे जैसे उसका एज बढ़ते जाएगा वैसे वैसे उसका परफॉर्मेंस कम होगा. इसलिए अगर मेंटेनेंस और रिपेयर्स अगर प्रॉपर रहेगा तो वो प्रॉपर एज तक रह चलेगा. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज द यूज ऑफ सब स्टैंडर्ड मटेरियल्स, है ना. यूज ऑफ सब स्टैंडर्ड मटेरियल लीड्स to the structural deformation within a short period of time. Okay, so are the factors again: insufficient fund, maintenance and repair of structure against deterioration requires money and time. Lack of fund is one of the most common factor affecting maintenance. Insufficient fund, insufficient fund for routine maintenance leads to more serious condition in future. Availability of physical resources. The required materials, components, services, equipments are necessary to undertake the maintenance and repair activity. And urgency of maintenance. The maintenance and repair need to be carried out immediately within hour or days, then accordingly action must be undertaken. Non-application of maintenance policy. Maintenance policy is a written document that provides maintenance strategy to be adopted by the maintenance professionals in order to extend life cycle of structure. And future use of structure are as a whole must be considered while deciding when and how much maintenance to be carried out at any given period of time. Owner attitude and wrong behavior of occupants. Most of the owner does not showing interest or excitement towards the maintenance. As a result, it leads to more serious problem. Further, insufficient of occupants can result to lack of maintenance, which leads to serious deformation of structure or structural components. And last one is the misuse of structure and structural components. The misuse of structure and structural components will result in their damage. When construction work is completed, then owner must use the structure and structural components in proper way. Are the factors influencing the maintenance and repairs. Then advantages of maintenance and repairs. Advantages are when the regular maintenance activities are performed, then in future maintenance cost decreases. As decreased number of maintenance operations causes reduction of human error which are influencing as precaution is always easy and economic than cure. Therefore, there is saving of money. Further, it is also observed that emergency maintenance and repairs are more expensive than periodic one. Less risk factor is the structures are being regularly checked. As a result, they are having less risks to damage without notice and saving in money and less energy wasting are the advantages of maintenance and repairs. Again, due to regular maintenance and repairs, there is longer building life with maximum performance. Regular maintenance give safer work environment. It prevents the process of decay and degradation from the climate or general uses. It maintains the structural stability and safety. Maintenance and repair help to give the guideline to plan for the renovation, retrofitting or new construction. It identifies the causes of defects that helps to prevent the reoccupants or repetition. Then limitation, it has limitation or disadvantages. High installation cost for minor equipments offers more than the value of equipments. Maintenance decreases the lifespan of assets. Sometimes more money and skilled works needed due to maintenance and repairs, reduction in performance and tends to more decay of structure and structural components. It increases the cost of maintenance and operations. As maintenance and repairs are carried out, possibility of less safety for workers and more possibility of accident and damages. Non-availability of design records and detailing to evaluate the increased stiffness and possibility of increase in safe weight of structure and structural components. Summary: in this topic we learn factors influencing maintenance and repairs, advantages of maintenance and repairs, and limitation of the maintenance and repairs. Assignment: solve this question and make PDF and upload on Google Classroom. This is all the important questions. Thank you very much.